So, second class of sedative hypnotics is benzodiazepines. What are the benzodiazepines? Benzodiazepines are used as not only sedative hypnotics, also used as anticonvulsant, anesthetics, and muscle relaxants. The advantage of benzodiazepines over barbiturates as sedative hypnotics are: benzodiazepines have high therapeutic index. Hypnotics does not affect the respiration or cardiovascular function. Benzodiazepines cause mild suppression of REM sleep. Third is they have lower abuse liability, tolerance, dependence, and withdrawal syndrome. Fourth is a specific benzodiazepine antagonist, which is called as flumazenil, is available, which can be used in case of benzodiazepine poisoning. So, mechanism of action of benzodiazepine: benzodiazepine bind to the benzodiazepine receptor, which is located between the alpha and gamma subunit of GABA A benzodiazepine receptor chloride channel complex. So in case of barbiturates, barbiturates bind to this complex to barbiturate receptor. And in case of benzodiazepine, benzodiazepine bind to benzodiazepine receptor to this complex and potentiate the GABA mediated opening of chloride channel as in case of barbiturates. So if there will be opening of chloride channel, there will be influx of chloride ions and hyperpolarization, and if there will be hyperpolarization, there will be inhibition of initiation of action potential and CNS inhibition or depression occur. Are of two types: one for benzodiazepines and triazole benzodiazepines. One for benzodiazepines are diazepam, oxazepam, nitrazepam, etc. So here this is the basic structure of benzodiazepines, which consist of three rings A, B and C. A ring is benzene and C ring is benzene, and B ring is diazepine rings, 7 member with 2 nitrogen. If there is 1 nitrogen and 7 member, then it is azepine. So here it is 2 nitrogen present, so it is called as diazepine. So in basic structure of benzodiazepine, if there is CH3 present in first position of nitrogen and in 7th position there is chlorine, then it will be diazepam. It will be called as diazepam. So here is the structure of diazepam. Second, at 7th position there is chlorine and third position there is OH. It will be called as oxazepam. So in third position it is OH, so it is called as oxazepam. And if it's in 7th position there is nitrate group present, then it is called nitrazepam. So triazole benzodiazepines are alprazolam and triazolam. Here is the structure of alprazolam.